Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to navigate the class in our Moodle website. The first thing that you're going to see is the screen that you have in front of you. This screen is the one that shows after you enter the class, Español Básico. So the first thing that you're going to do is to click clase 1.1 clase 1. This is the first requirement. You need to start here. You cannot just scroll down and start over here because it's not going to really work for you. You have to go step by step. And the first thing that you're going to do is click here. Once you click here, you can read the instruction, see the content of the class, and start the class. To start the class, you say enter, or you click enter, and then you see this message that say, would you like to resume the presentation from the last slide view? You say no to that, and you open here and say no, and you start lesson 1. This lesson can be navigated using these buttons over here, but you don't need to. You can do it. The lesson will switch from one.
Soy Carlos.
Hola, yo soy Carmen. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Bien, gracias.
It will show you slide by slide automatically. But if you don't want to do that, you can use this button to move forward. In here, you'll see a slide that requires for you to click.
Escucha las letras vocales. A, E, I, O, U.
Okay? Once you finish all the slides, you can get out pressing this button, exit activity. Exit activity is going to take you back to the home screen. Then you're ready to start 1.1 lesson 1. 1.1 lesson 1, you're going to say no to this question always, because that will start the lesson from the beginning. Start a lesson, you open the first line. This indicates that you have an audio there, and there is a text associated with that audio. If you want to listen the audio, you have to click here.
Hola, yo soy Carlos.
Hola, Carlos. ¿Cómo estás? Yo soy Carmen. Bienvenido. Entra. Este es el apartamento, el número 2.
Once you're done, you move to the next slide using this button. Whenever you finish, you can just click this to go back to the first slide. To the home page. Now you're ready for the first activity. You complete clase 1.1 clase 1, and you complete 1.1 lección 1. Now you're going to do the activities. The activities are labeled actividad. This is another activity, it's labeled actividad. This is another activity, it's labeled actividad. This is another activity, it's labeled actividad. So let's try the first one. The first one is an actividad de palabras revueltas. You're gonna enter the activity by pressing enter. And here you open to get to the full screen mode, and you start the activity by placing the words into the correct order. So it tells you that Juan, start right there, Juan vive, and there you go. After you finish, you click here to check your results. I'm not going to complete it. I'm just going to exit the activity and go back to the home page. And I'm ready for the next actividad, sopa de letras. I click on my sopa de letras. The sopa de letras activity is open. So this is the activity, and this is what you're supposed to uncover. All these words are in here, scrambled all together. One of them is brasileño. I can see the word is here, brasileño. And you're gonna do that, and you complete the first one. I'm not going. Once you finish all of them, you click here to check your results. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the home page one more time. Now I'm gonna try the second activity, arrastra las palabras. It will show me what I need to do is to, using this word here, I'm gonna have to place them over here to make a correct sentence. You say, hola, yo soy Carlos. Hola, Carlos, ¿cómo estás? And then after you finish all of them, you click here to check your results. Okay, I'm not gonna complete that, but I'm gonna go back to tema 1. Now I'm ready for the next activity. The next activity is a prueba de conocimientos, which is a quiz. So I'm gonna just click in there, and it will tell me continue last attempt, or I can just I will do that. I'm gonna continue last attempt because I already started this quiz. So it will enter. I will enter the quiz, and this quiz is asking me to relate the country and the nationality. Relaciona el país y la nacionalidad. Inglaterra goes with inglés, and I'm gonna continue all of them. Japón is with japonés, and then once you complete, you say go to the previous page, or go to the class, or finish the attempt. Let's go to the previous page, and I see then the previous page this is the first page of the quiz. Say, yo estoy en el parque, la televisión está apagada, la casa de Ángela está en Málaga. Once I finish this, it tells you put the answer in each box. So I'm not going to continue. I'm just showing you what to do and how to do it, but I'm not going to do it for you. I'm going back to the home page, and that's the end of it. There is one more button here that is designed for those students that are enrolled in classes on demand. Okay, thank you.